Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. So today we are going to learn about 4 methods to add or remove items from the end or from the beginning of the array. So let's start. First, let me create one variable. Suppose if I create variable as fruits, so let us create that. So in this array we will just put values mango, apple and banana. So first method which we are going to look at is pop method. So pop methods allows us to remove element from the end of an array. So if I now say fruits dot pop, and if I console this one, so if I console this statement, I'm going to click on run. So you can see now the last element from the array is removed. So here in the output you can only see mango and apple. So pop method is used to delete element from the end of an array. So let's now look at push method. So push method generally used to push element at the end of the array. So now if I push grapes into that array, so it will be added at the end of an array. So let's console the fruits now. I'm going to copy this statement, paste it over here. So here I will give comment as after push. Let's see the output. I'm clicking on run. So now if you see, this newly added element is added at the end of an array. So this is push method. So now let's look at shift method. So shift method is used if we want to remove any element from the beginning of an array. So let's do that. Shift. Let's see the output. Let's change this to shift. Let's run this. So now if you see, due to this fruits.shift method, the first element of an array is removed and we have left with apple and grapes. So similarly, if we want to add anything at the beginning of an array, so for that purpose we use fruits unshift method. So now if I want to add anything at the beginning of an array, so I will say fruits.unshift, and here I can add any value to it. Suppose if I want to add mango again at the beginning, so I will say fruits.unshift, and now let's console this statement. Here we have to mention unshift. Let's see the output. So now if you see, due to this unshift method, this mango is added at the beginning of an array. So these are the most frequently used JavaScript methods. If you liked it, please like the video and share and subscribe this channel. Thank you all.